Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joyce here. In the previous video we have talked about the single weft bundle and double weft bundles. As we know that single weft and double weft is only the way that we weft the hair into the bundles. It doesn't have much relevance to the hair quality. Today's video we will talk about another terms which is easily to be confused between single weft and double weft, which is single drawn and double drawn hair. Single drawn hair and double drawn hair are very important terms in the hair business, and it has much it matters a lot on the hair price. And in my hand there are two bundles of 20 inches hair bundles, and can you see the difference between these two? And on the left is we call it double drawn hair, and on the right we call it single drawn hair. Can you see the difference? Actually, you can see that this single drawn hair itself, it has a thick head, but actually it has a little bit thinner on the bottom. So a single drawn hair means the hair bundles contain some short hair on the top, so it's thick on the top and it gradually getting thinner on the bottom. You can see that it's not on all the same length hair, but it do have some short hairs in the hair bundles. And this is we call it double drawn hair, and you can see this double drawn hair, we call it all the hair are on the same length. You can see there is hardly any short hairs in the hair bundles, and it's thick from the top to the bottom. So this is the single drawn hair, which contains some short hair, and this is long hair. This single drawn and double drawn doesn't have much relevance to the hair quality. What I mean here is that we can make single drawn or double drawn with any type of hair quality, no matter it's raw hair, Remy hair, or non-Remy hair, or synthetic hair. We can all do the double drawn, and the same thing we can all do the single drawn. So it doesn't mean that double drawn hair will definitely be better quality than the single drawn hair. But if the two type of hair are the same, what I mean here is that if they are all raw hair, then double drawn will definitely have a higher price and better quality compared with single drawn hair. So when we talk about the single drawn and double drawn, make sure that they are the same hair texture and same hair quality, then talk about that. The single drawn also have all different type of grade. Like in the hair market, you can see that there are 7A or 8A or 9A hair grade of hair. So it actually matters in the fullness of the hair bundles. You can see this is also a single drawn hair, and this is single drawn hair, and this is also another type of single drawn hair. And this is the double drawn hair bundles. So in general, we call that those hair bundles contains all same length of hair, double drawn, and those bundles who contain some short hair, we call it single drawn hair. So when you purchase the hair, you can let the vendor show you the photos or videos and determine which type of hair you want to buy. Thank you for watching today's video. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and have a great day.